Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to the battery shop. The battery in this 2016 Toyota 4Runner is right here under the hood and very easy to get to. But before you begin, it's best to check the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions so you're familiar with the project, have everything you need, and you can safely replace the battery. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep the vehicle's computer's memories alive while the battery is being replaced. With safety goggles and gloves, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench to do this. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable using a 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket. And you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the battery hold-down bracket. You only need to remove the front J-bolt as the back one is stationary. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery, in this case a high-performance Optima battery. Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And retighten the fasteners. The next step is to install the positive battery cable to the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on because this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Finally, install the negative battery cable on the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in this video's description below.